Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Swapnali and today's video I'm going to be telling y'all how y'all can choose the right shade of foundation. Choosing the right shade of foundation is one of the most important parts when you are doing your base or your makeup in general, because the wrong foundation can make you look really weird. I have 5 tips for y'all to choose the right shade of foundation. First tip is, do not choose your foundation online. I know there are many websites where they claim they can help you to choose the right shade of foundation by uploading a picture, but your skin color looks different in different lightings, remember that. So it's very difficult for even the software to understand what is your shade of foundation, and that software is probably going to choose the shade of foundation according to your picture. And yeah, that's just not the way I think y'all should choose your foundation. It's not going to be the exact shade that you want. It's best that you go to a store and try the foundation out in real life, and that way choosing the foundation becomes much more easier. Now I know during these times, the COVID times, it's very difficult for all of us to go to a shop for all these like very minor things, but unfortunately that's the only way I personally feel that you all can get the exact shade of foundation. Choosing online can work, cannot work, it's like 50 gamble. But if you go to a store and see the foundation and try the foundation, there are much more chances that you will get your exact shade than if you do it online. Second tip is, understand undertones, and they are very important when you're choosing foundations. Now many a times it happens that you feel that you have the exact shade of foundation, but for some reason when you apply the foundation it just is not looking right, and the reason for that is because you have the foundation in a wrong undertone. Now to give you a very small idea of what undertones are, there is a pink undertone and there's a yellow undertone. Most of us Indians, we have the yellow undertone. Most of the Europeans, Americans, all those people, they have a pink undertone. So when we go in the sun, we tan, whereas those people, when they go in the sun, they'll get sunburns or they'll become red. I'm not saying every single Indian has that because I can't claim that, but like 99.9% of us Indians, we have a yellow undertone. So when you go to choose a foundation, go and first ask them for a foundation which has a yellow undertone, and chances are that's going to work out for you. Third tip for you all is that you have to choose a foundation which matches your body. Now our face has a different color compared to our whole body. So our face is usually lighter than our whole body, but if you go and choose a foundation which matches your skin, like your cheek color, it's not going to look right all over your face, because the face needs to match your neck and your body and your hands and legs. And the face and the body skin, they actually have quite a bit of difference. You can check it out for yourself. If you see your face and you compare it to your whole body, your face is going to look much lighter than your body. So you want to choose a foundation which matches your body rather than your face. So remember that when you go to buy a foundation. Number 4 is, when you are trying out a foundation, try out on this part. It's matching your face and your neck. Now usually neck and your body, they have a similar color. So always make sure when you go and try foundation out in the store, you try it out over here somewhere and leave it on for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever. Go around, go for a walk in the mall or whatever, and then when you come back, just see if the foundation is looking right, if it is not oxidizing and all of that. Make sure the foundation is staying on your skin, and then you can go ahead and buy the foundation. Now when the foundations are really cheap, 100, 200, it's like you can just go and buy it. But if you want to buy a really good foundation and the foundation is like around 2k, 3k, you want to make sure you're getting the right shade. You don't want to end up with the wrong shade. So if you are going for a really high-end foundation, I would suggest go to a store, try the foundation out on this part, and only then buy it. And my very last and the 5th tip for y'all is, do not go for a lighter foundation or a darker foundation. I know many people, they want to look lighter than their skin tone, and they go for a lighter foundation thinking if you apply lighter foundation you'll look much more fairer, but that's not how it works. You're not going to look fairer, you will just look more pale, you will just look more sick and ghostly, something like that. You won't look fairer, that's for sure. And many people also, they want to look darker than their skin tone. Don't do that as well. If you use a darker foundation, it's not going to make you look tanned or give you that tanned look that you're going for. it's gonna make you look very muddy, like you have just applied mud on your face, or you have rolled around in mud. That's how it's gonna look. So that's not the way to do it. If you want to look fairer, there are different ways to do that actually. And if you want to look darker or get a nice tan, there are different ways to do that. So but changing the foundation color is just not it, so don't do that. And yeah, that is how you can choose a foundation. And also, like a personal tip that I'm telling you all, when you go to these stores, at least in India, when you go to stores to buy foundations, most of the saleswomen or the salesperson, they will give you a foundation a shade lighter than your skin tone. So don't just listen to what they are saying blindly. Obviously they will tell you the right things once they understand what exactly you want. Every single shop that I have gone to, this thing has always happened with me. They always give you a foundation that is a shade or two lighter than your skin tone, but don't do that. Just get the foundation that matches your skin tone and your base will look so good. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all are able to understand what foundation you all are able to understand which foundation to get, and I hope these tips help you all. So yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.